Here I am in the car by myself. However, Edie is 2 car lengths behind me, and we are taking 2 cars over to West Palm Beach today. We're going to spend a couple of days scuba diving with our friends John and Tammy. Hello, hello. Then my niece and my sister are flying into Miami, and we will be responsible for moving my niece into her new dorm. And why are we taking 2 cars? Well, Edie's got all the scuba gear in her car, and I've got all of the crap that Alyssa Beans sent down from New York that has to go into her dorm room. Edie's gonna go home Friday night and take care of the dogs for the weekend. So that is the entire adventure. Most of this footage will be scuba diving and perhaps a couple of food reviews. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not really sure where this video is headed, to be truthful. But if you like that kind of unexpected nonsense, give me a thumbs up, smash the notification bell, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and enjoy my crazy haircut. See you on the road. Here we are in West Palm Beach. Sure. On Walker's Dive something or another. And we're secretly going diving. And I mean secret because later in the week we're here to move Alyssa Beans into her college dorm room, and they don't know that we're here. Well, they know I'm here, but Edie is the surprise. So the next footage you will see is from our diving here in West Palm Beach. Stay tuned. And that is the end of our dive trip. There was more to this trip, but we decided we didn't want to bore you with moving our niece into her second year of college. So that is it for now. Please smash the like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.